welcome Merced. How you doing tonight? We're having a great time here at Bangkok Thai. Everyone that's in there, thank you for coming. We're doing shows all over Central Valley. Hope you guys are ready. We're taking over.
We got a lot of comedians out here from LA, Washington, Iraq. But yeah, thank you guys for liking the Mirror Comedy page.
Without further ado, give it up for Aisha Birdsong!
Nails. Any bitch who got nails, I don't know how you wipe your ass. This is all new to me, and I feel like I'm cutting my booty hole up, and I'm not even like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this shit is no joke. And what might be up underneath there afterwards, you guys are so dirty. It looks so pretty from the outside, but it's fucking disgusting, right? Yeah, you bitches with nails over there, it's fucking gross, huh? It's disgusting, yeah. Later on, you're like, oh, shit. Let's keep that a secret. Put that in my pocket for later. Nobody needs to know about that one. Huh.
One, camping is the stupidest shit ever. I don't know why white people are in love with trying to simulate what it's like to be poor. But I pay rent to keep a roof over my head. You want me to go to a designated plot of dirt and sleep in a tent and shit in a bush for fun? Hell no! I'm not doing it. It's like, we can go on a cleanse. Bitch, you mean starve? Like, no, silly, it's just water with a little lemon squeeze. Oh, okay. So 75% of Africa's on a cleanse right now, huh? It's like these brothers in Somalia get all the toxins out they body.
One of my favorite items they sell at smoke shops, crack pipes. Did you know they sell crack pipes at smoke shops? I didn't know that. My fucking crackhead aunt told me the other day. I didn't know that. I was hanging out at a party, like a birthday party, and my aunt, she was in the corner shivering and shit, and I went over to go talk to her to make sure she was alright. She was shivering out and shit. I was like, Auntie, you alright? She's like, yeah, I'm cool. And I said, Auntie, I said, you know they sell fucking crack pipes at the smoke shop? She said, hell yeah, motherfucker, they're 2 for $5, my birthday thing. I wasn't expecting that response, but all right, fair enough. I said, Auntie, that's ridiculous. They shouldn't be able to sell like crack. That's why they're ruining communities, man. Like, they shouldn't be doing shit like that. She's like, well, I mean, they don't say crack pipe on them. I was like, well, what are they? She's like, they're little vials of perfume for your car. They sell them at the front, but they know what the fuck we're gonna do with them.
Being the proud Korean that I am, you know what I would have done if I was in that situation and the Japanese came to get me? You know what I'd do? I would just act like a Japanese. Look, it's not like you could tell, you know what I'm saying? Say 2 soldiers come to get me, they're like, huh? And I'm like, huh? They look me up and down, they're like, he look Japanese. Other guy's like, no, Lieutenant, I think he look Chinese.